In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clockify Time Tracker. We'll walk through the essentials so you can confidently track your work from start to finish and keep your records clean and accurate. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Clockify Tracker page at app.clockify.me/tracker. Once the tracker loads, you'll see a field that asks what you're working on. Click into that field and type a clear, specific description of the task you're about to do. Think of it like a note to your future self, short but meaningful, so reports make sense later. For example, instead of something vague, use a phrase that reflects the activity and context. If you already have projects set up, assign the entry to the right project using the project picker next to the description. This keeps your time grouped where it belongs and makes reporting far more useful. If you don't use projects yet, you can skip this for now and still track accurately. You can always organize entries afterward. When your description looks good, click Start. The timer begins running immediately and you can switch to your actual work. The tracker will keep counting in the background, so there's nothing else you need to do while you focus. If you ever notice the counter running, that's your confirmation everything is being captured. When you're done with that focused session, click Stop. This saves the time entry with the description and project details you chose. You'll see the entry appear in your list, including its duration. If you're ready to continue the same task, maybe after a short break, use the Continue button, which looks like a play icon on the saved entry. Clicking Continue starts a new timer with the same description and project, so you don't need to retype anything. It's perfect for tasks that happen in multiple sessions during the day. When you finish again, click Stop once more. You now have two separate entries for the same task, giving you a clear picture of how much time you spent across different work blocks. To review more entries or navigate through your timeline, use the on-screen navigation. If you see numbered pages or days, click on 2 to move to the next view. This helps you scan what you did earlier or later without losing your current context. That's it. Go to the tracker, describe your work, pick a project if you have one, start, stop, continue when needed, stop again, and navigate with the number controls to review your time. Keep descriptions consistent and you'll have reliable, actionable records every day.